Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to order trending products on Etsy for Black Friday gifts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to shop Etsy for trending Black Friday gifts, first what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your Etsy application and be sure to be logged into your account. Then what you need to do is start early and browse before the rush. Many Etsy sellers begin Black Friday sales or promotion before the actual day. According to some guides, being very early gives you access to best inventory. The next is to simply save your favorite products by tapping on the heart icon on the top right corner of your screen, which lets you be ready when the discount goes live. Then you can also use Etsy's Black Friday or holiday sale page by simply tapping on the home, and then here the Black Friday sale will be given right here. Simply tap on that and then check out Etsy's dedicated Black Friday sale section to find deals that sellers are promoting especially for that event. You can also use the filter option as well and search terms like Black Friday or holiday gift or discount to narrow down the trending. And if you have Etsy sellers you like, all you gotta do is just simply head over and open up seller's profile and then simply tap on follow on the top right corner of the screen to know the announcement of Black Friday discounts or shipping deals to their followers. Some sellers also create gift bundles or special discounted package for holidays. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.